Hello, Nanaimo. This is Shanon Kelley with parkbench.com as well as Royal LePage Realty, and I am here with the lovely and talented Kim Chalmers. And today we are here to talk to you a little bit about mortgages. So Kim, tell me, where am I? What do you do?
Hi everyone. Okay, well, I guess first off I'd start, I work with clients and look at doing the sourcing of mortgages, whether it be, construction, refinance, mortgage renewals or purchases. And, I look at getting them pre-approved, and then they get to, have a better idea as to, what they can do when they come to see someone like yourself.
Awesome. I can't tell you how invaluable it is to me to have someone like Kim take the first steps, and that leads me to my next question. When should somebody see you when they're thinking of getting a mortgage?
Right.
What's the best time?
Definitely the best time in terms of a purchase is to see me before they start shopping for the home. It's vitally important. It gives, the client a very good understanding of where they're at. I make sure that we talk about all the things that might come up in terms of being in a home ownership and making sure that it's within their means. I don't want to see someone ever going outside of their means.
Right.
That way when they find that property and they're looking at in the right price point, they have that confidence there that they can do it. So.
It's so important to have that under your belt, for sure.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this for?
Oh my goodness. That's gonna take me back ways without trying to age myself, but I got into the finance industry back in 1998.
She doesn't look old enough.
So I've been in I've been in the industry for, I guess coming up 22 years, and I've been working as a mortgage broker since 2007. So so I've got lots of experience and a wealth of knowledge, I guess, that has accumulated over those years. So
I am sure of it. I know for sure that Kim is an in-depth mortgage broker who's going to make sure that she absolutely has the best fit for you to make sure that you get the property you want and don't miss out on it. It's so vital to have someone who really knows what they're doing, especially when we do shift eventually back into a seller's market, and you need those tools to be able to make the right purchase for you.
Yeah.
But for those who might not know, what's the difference between you and a bank?
Well, I think one of the key things to think about is, I'm working for you, the client. I want to make sure that that we're doing the thing that's right for you. And there's so many, I can come up with lots of different things that have happened over the years, but every individual institution or bank has different lending parameters. So you might go into your bank and they may not be able to look at a certain component to your income, and I might have a lender that can. So that can be a huge shift or factor, especially with our current stress test rates and all sorts of stuff, that it might mean being able to buy that home that you didn't think you could get because your bank said no. It could be yes somewhere else. So I love being able to look at things in a different way, right?
Totally. Being able to find the right product for the right person.
Yeah, for sure. It's a lot of work for someone to go out there and try and go to every single place out there, and there's no need for them to do that.
Yeah.
I do the work for them, and I know sometimes there's a misperception that mortgage brokers, that you're gonna have to pay us a fee. We get paid by the lenders, so unless there's an unusual circumstance where I'm doing some kind of private lending, there's no cost, so they have nothing to lose in coming in and speaking with a mortgage broker.
You have so many different lenders that you work with: banks, private lenders,
monoline lenders, all sorts.
Tons of options. So I can't imagine why anyone wouldn't make this their first stop. I personally would go to you before a bank.
Yeah, and I can even, source and place the client with their own bank.
Totally.
That might be an option as well. But sometimes it's a lot easier to come in and see me versus trying to book an appointment and get into the bank as well. So I kind of work outside of regular banker hours, and I'm happy to do that because you know, all of our lives are busy, and I'm, you know, flexible, and it actually sometimes I need to do that too,
Yeah.
right? So,
That's
you know.
perfect. So how do people find you when they want to?
Okay. Well, I'm either always accessible by my cell phone, so that's a great way. You're more than welcome to text me. I get probably texts every other day
Way in the
now from
future.
clients.
Yeah.
That's right. I've got a website you can visit, which I think
It'll
you
be
can
posted
put
on the website here.
Yep. And my office is located on Northfield Road, 1610 Northfield Road.
Right.
Very easy to access from the main Island Highway and the Old Island Highway, so lots of parking, and yeah, so, you know, if I'm not here, just call me on my cell phone.
Awesome. Anything else that you want to say or that people should know?
Well, we were talking, you know, about different options and, you know, reasons why you might want to get pre-approved.
Yeah.
One important thing that I think people should know, especially, you know, when you're looking at the market right now, there might be a house that you see and, you know, it's everything, but it misses a few boxes, like you want to put in new flooring, or it needs a new kitchen, or maybe like a little minor, you know, alteration. We could look at a purchase plus improvements program, and that is really so important to know that you can do those things and how those programs work ahead of time.
Yeah.
And you know, it's a lot different if you're looking to try and refinance down the road, because you won't be able to access maybe the money that you need at that point in time. So
Totally.
yeah, let's get it done up front and make it easy for you. And you know, I'd be happy to talk to people about that program. It's a great program.
Great tip that is very underutilized, and if you're at all thinking about purchasing a home that might need a little renovation, definitely talk to someone like Kim, or preferably Kim, before you make that purchase.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking with me today. Greatly appreciate it. Kim,
Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Absolute expert in the field, someone I trust with all my clients 100%, and hope that you will give her a call when needed. Again, I'm Shanon Kelley with Royal LePage and ParkBench.com. If you'd like to be interviewed for your business, don't hesitate to contact me, and please contact Kim as well. Kim Chalmers. Have a great
Thanks,
day.
everyone.